What's going on, everybody? It's John from Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Cooking Propane Torch Pro from BLUU. Stick around, let's get it. All right, people, so let's open this up and see what we have. All right, so we have, the instructions here. First off, looks like we have the base or the stand right here. And then we have the actual unit. Pretty snazzy looking, don't you think? Actual unit, and I imagine this here will be an adapter in case we have a different size on the propane tanks. So let's take a closer look at the unit. So all right, we'll just kind of work our way down the unit. Starting off, we have the fire bale here, which is well constructed, has a cover on the front. This is where the flame comes from the gun. Then on this side, you can see here, this is the spark inducer. It sends the spark inside of the fire bale to start the fire. And then as you can see, running the length right here, this is the tube that introduces the gas into the fire bale. And then on top, this is the gas valve. It has a plus and minus. As you turn on your gun, you will slightly turn this on until you hear the gas coming in, and then you can hit the trigger here, which is the igniter, and it will ignite the fire. You can control the fire rate with this knob here. If you want more fire, you'll turn it to the plus side. If you want less, you'll turn it to the minus side, and then there's a click to turn the unit off, and no fire will be coming through the tube to the fire bale. It also has a handle here, which is a trigger, and a locking mechanism to increase the flame rate right here as well. And of course, this is covered up. This is where you will hook on your propane tank to the unit. So we will take this outside, give it a test run, and see how it does. All right, so we'll grab our gun here, and here is our propane. It just screws in like so. Just kind of hand tighten it, make sure it doesn't have any leaks there. That should be good. And then we will turn this on to give it just a bit of gas. Then we will hit our trigger and we'll be ready to roll. So let's check out this thing. All right, everybody, so you just seen that demonstration. We talked about the functionality. We came outside and done a little bit of a test on it. It lit the coals in probably about 35 to 45 seconds. They're still going strong right now. So this gun does its intended job. It's a pretty good piece of equipment. One thing we do need to talk about is the price point. The gun that is close to this, when it's on the market that people know about, usually sells for about $179. Whereas this gun is $99. I think they both do a great job. For the price point, this is not a bad option. So I will have a link in the description if you're interested in buying a BLUU torch, and you can click that link. You will receive 10% off, and I would appreciate that. I'll get a little bit of a kickback from it. But guys, I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate BLUU for sending me out this torch. I'll definitely be using it in future videos. Thank you for stopping by the channel. As always, like, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you guys next time.